Greetings, it's Wednesday and a couple of things going on. I've got the bike connected up, the Epic off-grid charger speedy spin bike, and I'm trying to integrate two separate meters into my Tristar TS45 controller. I've got this other meter here, and that meter is hopefully going to be an accurate dump load, which I'm going to show you working very shortly. That's the plan. Right, okay, so we've got both meters recording. This one should start coming on when the batteries reach above the float voltage. The float voltage I've set up on the controller is 13.8, sorry. So I'm going to start pedaling in hard mode, and it is very hard to pedal for a long period of time, but we should get both meters to come on. So that's the dump load meter on the main screen, and the actual power coming in from the bike in the top left, and this is in hard mode. Woo! So I thought you might like to see that. The next video, hopefully it should be integrated into the front panel. And the downside of that meter is that it needs 6 volts to come on, so it won't stay on all the time like the other one, but it should still be good to go. So the bike, hard mode, is because I've got this 5 kilo weight on the end of what I call the motor arm. I'll take that off. Now you'll see the hoverboard motor will make power, but it won't make enough power to turn the other, to turn the dump load on. So that's got a maximum for me of around 80 to 90 realistically, and I couldn't pedal that for long, but if you slow it down, but it's interesting, you can get quite a stable output from the motor. I think the bike itself is amazing for £30. It's really sweet. You can see this kind of will give you more of a value of electricity, because you'll see how slowly the watt hours go up. But it wouldn't take somebody who is very fit longer than a few minutes to theoretically create enough charge for a brand new iPhone 15 sort of thing. So that was another quick demonstration of the bike, and it's going to be very windy tomorrow, so I'm trying to get this finished in time for the 15 to 18 mile an hour winds. So cheers, bye for now.